Hi, fourth graders. Today we are going to practice adding mixed numbers. You know from last week that mixed numbers is a fraction that has a whole number and a fraction. So let's go ahead and look at our first picture. On this side, I have my first mixed number. It shows 2 wholes and 1/4 of the next one. So that's my first mixed number in my problem. 2 wholes and 1/4. Then I'm going to add 3 wholes and 2/4. So I'm going to drag that one out. First, I'm going to look at the pictures to add. I'm going to first add my wholes together, and I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wholes. And then these are both fourths, so I can add 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So I know that I have 5 wholes and 3/4 of another one when I combine both of my mixed numbers. Let's look at this one. I have 1 whole and 3/8 of another one. So that's my first number. And let's look at the second mixed number in my problem. I have 1 whole and 2/8. So I'm going to drag that one up. If you notice, I now have 2 full holes colored in and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 of the second one. So I have 2 holes and 5/8. Let's look at this problem. If you notice, I could add my pictures together, or I could add my wholes first and my mixed numbers, and I get 2 wholes. And then I could add 3/8 plus 2/8 and get 5/8. Let's do another one. This time we have pictures, but I'm going to put in the mixed number in the problems. So my first picture shows 6 holes and 1/6 of the next one. So I have 6 and 1/6. If you look at my next mixed number, I have 2 wholes and 3/6 of my next one. Now I have 2 ways that I can choose to do this. I can count in my picture how many holes I have, or I can just count my whole numbers. So I have 6 holes plus 2 holes and gives me 8 holes. Then I have 1/6 plus 3/6 is 4/6. Let's double check with the picture that I have 8 holes and 4/6 colored in. So I'm going to first count my holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 holes. And then these are all in 6, so I'm going to count how many 6 I have colored in all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the next one. My first mixed number shows 3 holes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/10 of the next one. So this shows 3 and 5/10. Ooh, it is 12. I'm sorry. So now let's look at this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/12 again. So this time I'm going to add my holes. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 5/12 plus 5/12 is 10/12. Let's look at my picture. So let's count my picture to see if my answer is right. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 holes, which I put down here. Now let's count how many 12ths we have colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10/12. So let's do some practice without pictures. I know that I can add my wholes first and then add my fractions second. So I'm going to add 5. 3 plus 2 is 5 wholes. And then 2 6 plus 3 6. I know my denominator stays the same. So I have 5 6. So my answer, 3 and 2 6 plus 2 and 3 6 equals 5 and 5 6. Let's do another practice. I'm going to add my wholes first. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 4/8 plus 2/8 is 6/8. Today you're going to go off and practice on your own adding mixed numbers with the same denominator without pictures.